weather forecast today, November 28, 2016, remaining 2 days before ending November. So, the latest satellite image by West Pacific visible loop. So, we see that the tropical depression Marse has now dissipated and the circulation has been disrupted and the formation has now gone and no only remnants of tropical storm Marse will remaining here at Ilocos region and areas of Zambales. So this latest weather bulletin issued by Pag-asa. So let's see the latest satellite forecast track for Pag-asa this day. The last latest forecast track. So let's find out the latest forecast track by Pag-asa. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is the latest forecast track by Pag-asa issued 11 a.m. So we will see that tomorrow or later this evening it will exit PAR, the Philippine Air Responsibility, and will be a low pressure area. Will continue to dissipate and it will be continued to remnants. So that's according to the Weather Central. Satellite image for tropical depression Marse. Okay, so for the satellite image, so today we'll review at the 10 a.m. The center of the tropical depression Marse is now located at 235 kilometers west of Sinait, Ilocos Sur. So tropical depression Marse is weakening and maximum sustained winds only is 45 kilometers near the center and gustiness up to 55 kilometers per hour. Forecast to move west-northwest at slow speed 13 kilometers per hour. There are no tropical cyclone warning signal because it will continue to dissipate in the next following hours. Today we'll see the daily weather forecast issued by Pag-asa. So the daily weather forecast issued by Pag-asa this day, November 28, 5 p.m. The center of the tropical depression Marse was estimated based on all available data at 335 kilometers west of Dagupan City with a maximum sustained winds of 45 kilometers near the center and gustiness up to 55 kilometers per hour. Forecast to move west-southwest at 17 kilometers per hour. Northeast monsoon is affecting extreme northern Luzon. So northeast monsoon could bring light to moderate rains, especially to the areas near Batanes group of islands and northern Luzon. So predicted streamline analysis. So this is circulation of the tropical depression Marse. The streamline analysis, surface winds, the circulations continue to disrupted, and we have circulation here, low pressure area. This is only a low pressure area, but there's no effect to our country. The strong surge of the northeast monsoon could affect the circulation. Then the surface map analysis. This is a tropical depression, Marse. Let's update due to the latest Pag-asa forecast until tomorrow. Cloudy skies with light to moderate rains could bring thunderstorm in the regions of Cordillera, province of Cagayan, Isabela, Aurora, and Quezon. Cloudy skies with light rains is expected over the regions of Ilocos and the rest of Cagayan Valley. Partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorm will prevail over Metro Manila and the rest of the country. So, the light to moderate rains affecting northern Luzon due to the northeast monsoon. And that's it. This is the daily weather forecast November 28, 2016, and we don't have this is the final tropical cyclone this month of November. We could expect 1 to 2 tropical cyclone this coming the last month of the year. So this is the latest. God bless.